your electric griddle. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 36 inches, depth 24 inches, and a height of 14.5 inches tall. Coming to the top of the griddle area, we have measurements of 19.25 inches in depth by 36 inches in length. Thickness of the griddle plate, we have 1/2 inch. Below the griddle will be the waste area. And coming to the center will be the slot where all the axes and waste will be dumped into this waste pan. Measurements for the waste pan will include 19 inches in length by 6.5 inches in depth. Waste pan can be removed and inserted back onto the track. Coming to the right will be 3 different temperature dials along with the light indicator. Back of the griddle will be the SA certification along with the hard wiring that's required for this griddle. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this part.